inside the boat this morning, and here's our trash bag solution. We're going to bed the window this morning, and we are figuring out how to apply positive pressure on the inside of the window and how we're going to do it before we do it in case it doesn't work the way we want. I started with a dowel, and I was going to put the clamp inside the dowel, like run it through the handle, but the dowel is just, it's too wiggly. It's just not going to apply enough positive pressure. So then I tried a broom handle, which is rigid enough, but it's too far from where the window is going to sit. So I can't run it right here between the handle. So I think what we are going to do is run two ropes from the handles somewhere to the other side of the boat here, to apply positive pressure with a rope. And we're doing this before we bed the window because we don't want to be sitting there with a problem that we don't have a solution for. So